Hey guys, thanks for tuning in here. My name's Mike with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this great video we will show you how to disassemble and repackage your Amia chair for return. Let's get started. So we're going to need to use some tape. We have a flathead screwdriver, pipe wrench, claw hammer. Alright guys, so here we have our Amia chair. We have our box with our packaging materials. We just need to do some light disassembly to get the Amia chair to fit back into the box. The first thing we're going to do is to remove the seat, and I will show you how to do that. So I'm just going to grab a flathead screwdriver here. I'm going to pull the seat to its forward position and come around the chair from behind. Using my flathead, sticking it back here to engage the lock. Get it in there good now, and the chair seat should slide right off. So once we have the chair like this, the next step we want to do is to remove the cylinder and the base from the chair. So I recommend raising the cylinder up, and lying the chair down on its back. All right, get a good angle here for you guys. I'm just going to take a standard pipe wrench, get a good hold of the cylinder here, and remove it from the chair. All right, so I've got a good solid connection with the pipe wrench on the cylinder. Just going to use some force and a little leverage to remove the cylinder. And it should start to pull away, and you can remove it just like so. All right, once I'm able to free the cylinder from the base of the chair, we're going to need to remove the cylinder from the base here. And I just have a claw hammer here. We're going to flip the base around and hammer on the bottom of the cylinder so it can fall out the top of the base. Come out just like that. Set that off to the side. And now we're just going to remove the casters one at a time, and they'll pull right up. Okay, so we have our box ready. We'll go ahead and put the seat in first. Casters will go in next, and we'll lay the gas cylinder down there on the end. Okay, so we have the seat, casters, and gas cylinder packaged up in the box. Go ahead and close it up and seal it up. Okay, now we can move on to the rest. All right, so now that we have our Steelcase Amia chair fully disassembled and ready for return, it's time to put it back into the box. I do want to make a quick note that it's going to be very helpful to make sure the arms are in its very lowest position. All righty, let's go ahead and pick up the frame and put it back into the box. Alrighty, got the frame in there. Just going to use a few pieces of filler on the back and on the lap. Alrighty, the frame is all set. Go ahead and take my box of components, put that in next. That goes in vertically right next to the frame. And last but not least, we have our 5-star base that will go in right here. Kind of rests between the box and the outside of the box. Just the rest of the filler. Okay, so now that we have your chair fully boxed up and ready for return, we just want to make sure we properly apply the tape. Not one, but 6 pieces of tape. Very important to get at least 6 pieces of tape on the box. Alrighty, so now we're ready to apply our shipping label. And you guys are all set for return. Okay, so now we have our Steelcase Amia Chair fully boxed up and ready for UPS. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. As always, like and subscribe our YouTube page, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Next up is to go ahead and grab our box. Start over. I gotta do something with my hands. Show you how to package and reassemble your Amia chair for return. I do want to make a couple notes here. I did, no, I don't like that. A couple notes, I don't like that. All right. Alrighty, so we'll go ahead and pick up the frame. So close. I'm not gonna say anything about the bag. I'm not talking about the bag. Okay, guys.